Before we start fixing this problem, let me show you exactly what's happening with this laptop. As you can see, the moment when I open the laptop lid, it automatically tries to power on by itself without me even pressing the power button. Now keep an eye on the power indicator LED. You will notice that it lights up for just a few seconds, which means the laptop is attempting to start. However, almost immediately after that, the power indicator turns off and the laptop shuts down completely before it can even booting. If I try opening the lid again, the exact same thing happens. The laptop's power on for a brief moment and then it instantly shuts itself off. Even more unusual is that the power button is not responding at all, so I can't manually turn the laptop on. It only attempts to start automatically when I open the lid, and every single time it immediately powers itself off. In this video, I'll show you the exact troubleshooting steps I use to diagnose and fix this issue. So, if your laptop is showing the same symptoms, follow along carefully. To fix this issue, let's start with the simplest solution. If your laptop model has it, look for a small reset pinhole on the bottom or back of your laptop. Some manufacturers include this feature to perform a hard reset without opening the device. Take a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip and gently insert it into the reset pinhole. Press and hold it about 10 to 15 seconds. This disconnects the internal power temporarily and perform a hard reset of the embedded controller. Once you have done that, remove the pin and try turning the laptop on again. If your laptop powers on normally, then fine, and the issue was likely caused by temporary hardware or power management glitch. However, if the laptop still turns on briefly and immediately shuts down, don't worry, try this for further and identify the actual cause. As you can see, even after connecting the charger and attempting the hard reset, the issue remains exactly same. The moment I open the laptop lid, it automatically tries to power on. The power indicator lights up briefly, showing that the motherboard is attempting to start. But without a second, the lights turns off and the laptop immediately shuts down again. So as you can see, this common fix is not working for this laptop. That tells us the problem is likely deeper than a temporary power management glitch. The fault could be related to the internal hardware, embedded controller, the motherboard, or another component. Since the hard reset did not resolve the issue, the next step is to open the laptop for closer inspection. So first, make sure your laptop is completely power off and disconnect the charger or any external devices connected to it. Now remove all the screws that's securing the back cover. Once all the screws have removed, use a plastic spray tool to carefully release the clips around the edges of the back panel. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools as they can damage the plastic clips. After all the clips have been released, gently lift the back panel. Now we are ready to begin diagnose the hardware and identifying the actual cause of the problem. After that, very first step is to disconnect the laptop main battery. Locate the battery connector where the battery cable connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this connector by gently pulling it straight out in the direction of the cable. Avoid pulling on the wires themselves, as this could damage the connector or cable. Once the connector has been unplugged, we have completely isolated the laptop from its internal power source, making it safer to continue troubleshooting and helping us determine whether the battery is contributing the startup problem. After disconnecting the main battery, connect the laptop charger directly to the laptop with only AC adapter connected. Try turning the laptop on by using power button. If your laptop supports power on without battery installed, it should be attempt to start using the charger alone. If the laptop powers on successfully this time, that's very important clue. It suggests that the battery or battery power circuit may be contributing to the problem. If your laptop turns on at this stage, pause here and let me know in the comments or continue following along. Now let me explain exactly what this result means, what components are most likely involved, and what you should check before deciding whether the battery need to be replaced. As you can see, the laptop has powered on successfully. This is the very important result because it tells us that motherboard, processor, memory, and charger are all capable of powering the laptop normally. So what does this mean? In most cases, it indicates that the problem is related to battery or battery charging circuit rather than the laptop's main power system. When battery is connected, it may have the internal fault, a shorted cell, or it may be drawing abnormal current. As a safety measure, the laptop immediately shuts itself down to protect the motherboard and other component. Another possibility is that battery has degraded over time and can no longer provide stable voltage. When the motherboard detects this unstable condition, it may refuse to complete the startup process. Since the laptop works normally on the charger with the battery removed, we have already narrowed the problem down significantly. The next step is to reconnect the battery and perform a few additional checks to determine whether the battery itself is faulty or whether the issue lies in the battery charging circuit on the motherboard. So don't replace the battery just yet. Let's verify the exact cause first so you don't spend money on a part you may not actually need. At this point, the best way to confirm our diagnosis is to test the laptop with another battery. Fortunately, I have a compatible battery for this laptop. So let's see how the laptop behaves. I have to connect the replacement battery. So I have to make sure the connector is properly seated and then reconnect the charger if needed. Now let's try turning on the laptop. If the laptop powers on normally and stays running without shutting down, that will strongly indicate that the original battery is faulty and need to be replaced. If the laptop still shuts down immediately with the good battery installed, then the problem is more likely related to the battery charging circuit or another component on the motherboard. Alright, as you can see, after replacing the battery, the laptop has powered on successfully. This confirms that the original battery was the source of the problem. The old battery was likely suffering from the internal fault, such as damaged battery cells and internal short circuits or unstable voltage output. When the laptop tries to start with that battery connected, the motherboard detects an abnormal condition and automatically shuts the system down to protect the internal component. However, if you followed every steps in this video and your laptop still turns on briefly and immediately shuts down, then problem is likely not the battery. At this point, the fault may be with the motherboard, lead sensor, the battery charging circuit, the embedded controller, the BIOS, or another hardware component that requires further diagnosis using professional tools. Please listen carefully. I don't recommend replacing random parts without proper testing, as that can waste both time and money. If you are not experienced with the motherboard level repair, it's best to take the laptop to a technician for a detailed inspection. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.